Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you so much for tuning in today. So I'm hopping straight into the video and just quickly giving you guys the details of my unit. I did purchase this from GoSleek Hair, and this is their 100% Cambodian 16-inch KINKY straight Upartwig in a size small and density roughly 150. Unfortunately, this company is no longer carrying Uparts for the foreseeable future, but if you're interested in still seeing the process of me install this Upartwig, then kindly keep watching. Okay, y'all. So I know I look crazy. I got my leave out in these two little braids. It's been a couple of days since I washed my hair and like blew it out for this U-part install. I'm just at like, it ain't been a whole week. Here is the U-part unit, all straightened out. I think I showed you guys what it looked like, just like blow dried. It was really full and pretty, but I wanted to straighten it, and so here it is. It's straightened out pretty nice. It definitely gives our hair flat ironed. And so here's the inside again. I got two clips here, one clip in the middle, and then 3 combs on the side and what's going to be at the bottom in the back. I think I'm using a decent amount of leave out. Some people may use less, but I used this much, and that's my prerogative. Oh, and if y'all see me looking over here, I got my mirror up so I can see what I'm doing. And here I'm just sliding it, undoing this first comb and just sliding it into some hair, clip. And now I'm taking the comb and sliding it into my hair as well. I know most people use braids. I initially did braids, but they were looking horrible. So that's why I just went ahead and I split my hair down the middle in the back and just braided each side up. So I'm gonna see how that works for me. Do what works for you. All right, so, ooh, try not to get none of my leave out caught. And me coloring the hair was a great idea because it is a dead on match to my current hair color. Ooh. Okay, there we go. All right, and now to unbraid. Yes, I have my flat iron waiting, getting hot, because I already know my hair is going to need some assistance to blend. But here we have it so far. This is where the 16-inch stops on me. I did go ahead and trim the ends, trim the ends a little bit because they were looking very raggedy. So I just went ahead and did it off of my head on my mannequin head because I just felt like that was easier. I may end up trimming again, but I ain't trying to do too much because I want to keep it kind of true to length. I just bought this from Ulta the other day. It's the Hot Spray Firm Hold Heat Protection Spray. So it's a holding spray and heat protecting. I love that it's a 2-in-1, so I don't have to get or use as many products. This is everything I need in one. It says separate dry hair into sections. That's great because my hair is dry. I had needed this instead of using a product that you have to use on wet hair. It says generally spray section, apply flat iron, curling iron, or hot rollers, finish style with an overall mist for optimal results. And this is supposed to protect up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit and gives her firm hold for up to 60 hours. I have my flat iron. This is actually also a GoSleek flat iron. This is their ceramic. I hear ceramic is better for our hair, so I have a titanium and I have a ceramic. I got both, whatever. I have it set on 380 degrees. So the heat protectant will definitely have me covered. Okay, so let me just oh, I hate getting new products that you got to do a workout, a whole finger workout to get it going. The spray on that is decent. It don't look like it's reverting my hair, so that's great, because what are you good for if you're gonna start reverting my hair back? Okay. All right, let me go in sections. Let me find my hair again. Okay, so let me break that up a little bit more, because I'm trying to do a one pass and go. Okay, so that's what that piece is looking like. Let me do another, I know you can barely see. And I'm making sure with this leave out, I am doing very small sections because I want this to be perfectly straight as it can be. All right, so that's this side. It's giving, this is giving my hair. Oh. Y'all, oh my gosh. Let me do this side because I'm getting hyped and this side's still looking crazy.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Another thing I love about this, instead of it just staying open, y'all mind the hair, I can do this and it stays closed, so it can be very compact. Okay, so this looks amazing. Let me fine tune this parting. And then I got to make some of it go back like that to cover. Okay, if y'all tell me this isn't giving my hair with some layers in the front, I can't even see it right there. Oh, this hair is beautiful. All right, I do see that little, I see that little piece right there, y'all. I got it. Okay, sometimes you got to blend it all together.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking.
Okay, let me go get some type of edge situation so I can do my edges. Okay, and y'all, I promise this isn't sponsored. Like, this only like my second, third video. I just went on a spree with GoSleek and bought a bunch of their stuff. One of them being this edge control. This stuff is the truth, especially for natural hair that is in like a sleek state like mine is right now. This does not revert. This doesn't revert my edges like some other edge controls start to do. It literally stays sleek looking forever if I let it. Like, I don't even need to tie this down. I've never been one of the types to tie down my edges. I know that's like a no-no, but I'd be too lazy to tie down my edges. I just want to slick them down and go. I don't want to have to tie them down. Like, this makes it so I don't even have to worry about tying them down. This ties them down for me. Okay, here we have it. This is it. Just sleek and straight. Like, even my hair, I could wear this straight if I wanted to, because you can barely tell what my hair pieces are. And you see it still got that little bit of kink in it, like my hair. And y'all, this really don't even look bulky on my head. Like, who has a wig on right now? I don't know.